Hi my friends, today we model this part, steel cast, with the drawing and dimensions as you can see. It is not a difficult model, so let's start with creating this button plate, then other features. New standard millimeters IPT, XY plane, and we draw a rectangle. Dimensions are 200 tab 16. This midpoint is placed on the center point. Then I draw few lines. This midpoint is on the same vertical with this, and the dimension is 80. Finish sketch, extrude. This must be extruded, symmetrical 100. Now I apply fillets of radius 12 on each corner. Okay. Then we create this rectangle in rectangle with dimensions 198 minus 16, 33, 64, 26 in the plane XY. F7 rectangle. This dimension is 64 plus twice 33 tab 198 minus 16. The other rectangle is placed symmetrical, so I select this point to be aligned with this point, and this point to be aligned with this on vertical. This is 64. And this is 27. Good. This frame is 12. Thickness is 12. Oh, 26, not 27. 26. You see, I didn't open the sketch. This is a good lesson. Extrude this symmetrical on 12. Okay. We use again XY plane because we want to place these cylinders with dimensions 40, diameter 40, thickness of 20, distance of 97, placed on this horizontal. I create a circle placed here, diameter of 40 and distance from the center point of 97 divided by 2. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Extrude, symmetrical on 20. Okay. Next is this slot. 110 placed at 50 millimeters from the base and radius 11. I select this face and I go to rectangle, slot, not rectangle, center to center. Line of 110, then thickness of twice 11. This distance is 50. Now we have to place this vertical somewhere in the middle. Take a look at my solution. F7. I draw a line from this corner to this corner. I make construction this line and I place this vertical on the center of this diagonal. Okay, okay, good. Now 12 minus 4 divided by 2 is the depth. Extrude this with cut, and the dimension is 12 minus twice of, or 4, twice 4. Okay, I apply mirror for this last extrusion about the plane XY to create this cut. Then I mirror both mirror and the cylinder about the other mid plane, which is this one. Very good. Now we create this rib with dimensions 14, 97 and thickness of 5. This 97 is in the parameters table, so we can use it, as you will see. The plane is this one, F7, a rectangle, tab 5, and we place it in the center. This center point coincident with this center point. We have to extrude this symmetrical by using the dimension 97, but we can go to Manage, then to Parameters. We see 97 somewhere here. 97 divided by 2. D13. So I make this extrude symmetrical, not 19 but D13 multiplied by 2. Okay, why to do this? Because somebody can change the length, the distance between these two pillars, and to have a wrong rib here. Okay, now there are some holes, twice 16 and 4/12. I select this face. I also project the other face to have the centers. Hole and these two centers with the diameter of 16 through. Then we create a sketch to find the points, the centers, and we apply this hole in each of the 4 points. The dimension is 12. Before applying the fillets, I want to verify the sketches to be you see all these are fully constrained, but this one is not. Yes? Nothing is written here, but here is written fully constrained. So we have to see what is with this. Oh, there is not a dimension here. What is the dimension? 6. 6. I forgot to place this dimension. Of course, I collapse all these and I apply fillet. You see, undimensioned fillets are radius 5. Let's apply this. Five all over. It is in the drawing, of course. And the last are these two. Okay, let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same. I cancel changing this and I apply material, which is steel cast, and the aspect is this one, smooth dark forest green, and we select some faces to apply steel polished or machined faces. Steel polished. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.